All right, guys, welcome back to our Edmodo class. This is going to be the first week that we work on our linked learning classroom. What that means is you're going to be learning the same topics with me in English and with your teachers in social studies, science, and art. And they're all going to tie together in one big project. Okay? So, have you ever thought about being stranded on an island? Of course you have, because we've just finished reading the K, right? So we talked about being stranded on an island and the hurricane that hit and how Timothy and Philip were affected by those things. We're going to continue talking about those this week. In addition to that, we're going to start looking at other natural disasters. Okay? The first one we're going to look at are earthquakes. In your classroom information, you need to get a copy of this. I will also pass them out, okay, in class tomorrow. You need to read over the one that you have digital access to. I want you to take a look at the bold words because those are vocabulary words. And then over here, each of the natural disasters are going to be set up just like this. So over here in the orange, you'll learn information about recent natural disasters. For example, the San Francisco earthquake of 1906. Okay, you can learn about how it affected the people and what happened during that earthquake. There's some safety tips to let you know how to stay safe during an earthquake. That will be very important later in our lesson, so make sure you take a look at those. The second page gives you a diagram of how the natural disaster takes place. For example, an earthquake starts by two tectonic plates sliding together. You'll learn more about what that means as we go on. There's some questions down here that I want you to think about, and we'll talk about those in class tomorrow. Okay, so you are going to have earthquakes, tsunamis, hurricanes, and tornadoes. Those are the four that we're going to be looking at. Start thinking about which of those you're most interested in, because later this week we're going to split you into groups. You're going to have to present on your natural disaster, and we're going to have what's called disaster night. That's where you, the Red Cross, FEMA, your friends and family, we're all going to get together and hear what you have to say about your natural disaster. In your art class, you're going to look at a natural disaster escape plan. So for example, if you chose earthquakes, one of the things you can put in your escape plan is while the earthquake is going on, stay indoors. Okay, that's very important. You want to stay under something. These are the things that you need to know. We've had earthquake drills here at school, and we're going to have a drill on disaster night also. Okay, if you have any questions, you guys know how to email me. You can also get in touch with me on Edmodo, and you're more than welcome to ask questions during class. That's what we like to do. I hope you enjoy the week that's coming up, and let's learn about some disasters.